Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to reset your Byju's SD card. This is going to be the easiest method, so you just come here and click on search and just type in create and format hard disk partitions. As you can see, this will lead us to the control panel. Click here on OK. And once this loads up, I just want you to right click on your Byju's SD card and then just click on format. I'll show you the options that come up. So, if it is a 64 GB SD card, make sure you choose exFAT, okay? And if it's a 32 GB SD card, you can either choose NTFS or FAT32. You can choose those. And make sure you actually toggle on perform a quick format. And it's really that easy and simple. Just click on OK and you are done. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.